गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, मंगलमूर्ती मोरया. Welcome to this new segment of OJAS. Dear viewers and patrons of arts, we at OJAS are overwhelmed by the response to this month's program. As we all know, on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, OJAS has arranged a competition of classical dance. As Ganesha himself is a celebrated artist, he is said to be master of 14 arts and 64 vidyas. Scores participated with their brilliant performances. The dance competition was arranged in Bharatanatyam and Kathak category, senior and junior in each form. We have found entries from all over Maharashtra and also from other states like UP, Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh. Experts have chosen the best among them. The winners and runners will be awarded with certificate and cash prizes. Today we have gathered to honor them. The gist of OJAS are of course the hard-working members who work with dedication to enhance the quality of our program. Sharvari Latkar is one of such noteworthy indispensable member of our family. She has worked tirelessly and with patience for this particular program. The competition was judged by Shri Gauresh Shetkar and Deepali Gadre and finalized by Guru Srimati Tamanna Nair Madam. So we are grateful to Shri Gauresh Sir, Deepali Madam and Srimati Tamanna Madam. On the occasion, we have requested some senior artists to perform. They are experienced and talented in their respective fields. We start our program with a melodious song sung by Tejashree Kulkarni. So, let us enjoy some performances by some senior artists.
एकदंताय वक्रतुंडाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचंद्राय श्री गणेशाय धीमहि. Let's move to our first special performance of this ceremony. Now we are going to listen a melodious song sung by Tejashree Deshpande Kulkarni. Tejashree is a Hindustani classical singer, disciple of Shri Pramod Deshpande, Sau Manjusha Deshpande and Sau Gayatri Joshi. She was one amongst the 10 top contestants of famous Marathi reality show Suranava Dhyasanava. She won many prizes in different competitions and performed in different prestigious festivals. Now we welcome Miss Tejashree Deshpande Kulkarni.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव तेजश्री कुलकर्णी. मी आपल्यासमोर गणपतीची एक प्रार्थना ओंकार अनादि अनंत हे गीत सादर करणार आहे. हे गीत संगीतबद्ध व स्वरबद्ध केलेले आहे सलील कुलकर्णी यांनी व याचे गीतकार आहेत सुधीर मोघे.
अथांग परंपार ओंकार नादे अनंत अथांग परंपार नाद ब्रह्म परमेश्वर नाद ब्रह्म परमेश्वर सगुण रूप साकार ओंकार नादे अनंत अथांग परंपार ओंकार नादे अनंत अथांग परंपार. सूरस्पर्श सूरश्रवण सूरस्पर्श सूरश्रवण स्वरगंधिता श्वासन सूरस्पर्श सूरश्रवण स्वरगंधिता श्वासन तिमिराचा गर्भीस्वर तिमिराचा गर्भीस्वर तेजोमय ओंकार ओंकार नादे अनंत अथांग परंपार ओंकार नादे अनंत अथांग परंपार सुरसाध्य स्वर साधन सुरसाध्य स्वर साधन सुररूप स्वर दर्पण सुरसाध्य स्वर साधन सुररूप स्वर दर्पण स्वर भाषा पमगरे गप स्वर भाषा स्वर चिंतन स्वर भाषा स्वर चिंतन स्वर विश्वाकार ओंकार नादि अनंत अथांग परंपार ओंकार नादि अनंत अथांग परंपार सप्तसूर स्वर्ग सात सप्तसूर स्वर्ग सात स्वर सात्वन वेदनात् सप्तसूर स्वर्ग सात स्वर सात्वन वेदनात् सुख निधान संजीवक सुख निधान संजीवक शाश्वत अमृतधार ओंकार नादि अनंत अथांग परंपार ओंकार नादि अनंत अथांग परंपार नाद ब्रह्म परमेश्वर नाद ब्रह्म परमेश्वर सगुण रूप साकार ओंकार नादि अनंत अथांग परंपार ओंकार नादि अनंत अथांग अपरंपार
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Let's move to the next Kuchipudi performance by Mr. Ashbin Anil. Ashbin is a passionate professional Kuchipudi dancer trained under Srimati Geeta Padmakumar and also was a student of great master Vempati Chinna Satyam. He is also trained in Bharatanatyam, Kerala Nadanam and Mohiniyattam too. He won many prizes in Kerala State Kalotsavam. He is a recipient of Yuva Pratibha Award 2016. He has performed over more than 1000 prestigious platforms in India. Let's welcome this graceful, powerful and beautiful Kuchipudi performer, Mr. Ashbin Anil.
गजाननं भूत गणादि सेवितं कपित्तजम्बू फलसार भक्षकम् पाद पङ्कजम् पाद पङ्कजम् जय जय स्वामी जय 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 स्वामी जय 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 स्वामी जय 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 जितवयरे जय जय जगवत जय भक्तवृंद जय जय जितवयरे भक्तवृंद जय जय जगवत जय भक्तवृंद जय जय जितवयरे भक्तवृंद जय जय स्वामी जय 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 स्वामी जय जय मूषिक वाहन मुनिजडवङ्ग घोषरहित धुलिकासुर वृन्द वेशभूषण
Nam
जय जय सत्रादिसुजगण संहित चरण आदिकुंडमणि वरण चित्रचरण सत्रादिसुजगण संहित चरण आदिकुंडमणि सत्रादिसुजगण संहित चरण आदिकुंडमणि जय जय स्वामी जय 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 स्वामी जय जय
गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसार भक्षितं उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. Let's move to the next performance of this ceremony. Our next performer is Aditi Mirvankar Thomas. Aditi is a Odissi dancer, teacher and a choreographer based in Mumbai. Aditi did her Nritya Visharad from Prachina Kala Kendra Chhattisgarh and Akhil Bhartiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya. She completed her Mancha Pravesh in 2010 January. She is an empanel artist of ICCR. Aditi has many solo performances to her credit. We now welcome Miss Aditi Mirvankar Thomas. मुदाकरातमोदकं सदाभिमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशितेभदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकं नमामि तं विनायकं. Let's move to our next presentation. Next performer is Rohit Ashok Janjale. Rohit is a graceful, powerful and a beautiful Kathak performer from Nasik, Maharashtra. He completed his bachelor's and master's in performing arts. He won many prizes in his dance career and received many prestigious awards from different institutions. Currently, he is working as an assistant professor at KK Wagh College of Performing Arts, Nasik, and also running his own dance school named Keshav Kathak Nrityashala in Nasik from last 6 years now. Let's welcome this beautiful Kathak performer, Mr. Rohit Janjale.
नमस्कार, मैं रोहित अशोक जंजाले, एक कथक कलाकार, नासिक, महाराष्ट्र से। सबसे पहले मैं अभिवादन करना चाहूँगा अथर्व चौधरी, जो ओजस फाउंडेशन के फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर हैं, जिन्होंने इतना सुंदर मंच इस विपदा काल में युवा कलाकारों के लिए प्रदान किया, जो अपनी कलाओं को लोगों के समक्ष प्रस्तुत कर सके। और साथ ही मेरी पूरी शुभकामनाएं उनके ओजस फाउंडेशन को, जो आने वाले भविष्य में सबके सामने एक उज्जवल नाम प्रस्थापित करेगा। आज की प्रस्तुति में मैं एक गणेश भजन प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ, जो डॉक्टर अश्विनी भिड़े देशपांडे इनके द्वारा गाया गया है, जो राग सरस्वती और ताल दीपचंडी के ऊपर आधारित है। तो प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ गणेश भजन, जय गणेश गणनाथ। धन्यवाद।
जय गणेश गणनाथ
Thanks to all the artists for the brilliant performance. You all must have enjoyed it. Let us now turn to our main event today. We are very fortunate to have Miss Sonia Parsure Madam, the famous Kathak dancer, with us to announce the prizes. She is known for her subtle abhinaya and powerful footwork. We welcome Parsure Madam and request her to announce the winners.
First of all, thank you Atharva for inviting me to announce the results of this competition, final results. I would like to say few words about this OJAS team and Atharva. OJAS is a new venture started by Mr. Atharva Chaudhary on World Dance Day this year. OJAS team successfully worked on different projects like Jati Yatra, Nayak the Hero, Vaikuntha Nayak, Anand the Mallar. OJAS has organized Bharatnatyam and Kathak online competition this month and got huge response. So I give my regards to Atharva and OJAS team, and now most importantly I will announce the results. Time starts now. Kathak Junior, third prize, Sara More. Second prize, Kavya Avde. And first prize, Arya Das. Congratulations all winners. So now I'm going to announce results for Kathak Senior. Okay, there are only two prizes. Second prize, Riya More. And first prize, Surabhi Kulkarni. Congrats once again to all the participants. Now the results for Bharatnatyam Junior. Third prize, Smriti Vikrant. Second prize, KP Aditri. And first prize goes to S. Angashri. Congratulations. Now results for Bharatnatyam Senior. Wow. Here again for senior there are 2 prizes. Second prize Vandana Subhash. And first prize goes to Rajalakshmi Iyer. Such a beautiful name. Congratulations. I congratulate all the students, all the participants who have participated in this competition. You should always keep doing, keep trying, and learn more and more things and take challenges. And Atharva is doing great job for youngsters, for kids, for newcomers, and I think all we dance lovers should support him. So thank you Ojas team, thank you Atharva, and thank you all classical dancers. Namaskar.
Today is Ananta Chaturdashi. After a stay of 11 days, Bappa will leave us. Once again, congratulations to all the winners and runners, and best wishes to all other participants. The winners will get their awards and certificates soon. Our Ojas team members will contact them personally. Thanks to all judges for their flawless judgment. It was very hard task for them. The special performances of all our guest artists has taken our program to new height. We are very grateful to Sonia Parsure Madam. Our heartfelt gratitude to her for being part of our program. This has given us new hope and motivation also. Let's meet with same enthusiasm, joy and novelty of concepts in Ojas' next event with blessings of Lord Bappa. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या. Thank you.